AQPRO MACD Pro indicator quickly shows when momentum flips, highlights the divergences that matter, and tells you whether bulls or bears are in charge. Use it to read market direction, spot likely reversals, and plan high probability trades. Here's what springs to life once the indicator hits your chart. Bright red and blue tiles stamp highs and lows. Red bearish, blue bullish. R marks regular divergences, H hidden. Each tile links to a slanted line, warning that price and MACD disagree and a turn may follow. Green and red triangles fire from a reversal engine, offering caution or confidence, especially when they stack with a divergence tile. Chunky teal rocket and maroon caution labels are rare ultra signals, born only from quality MACD crosses, and they often front-run bigger swings. Emerald or ruby diamonds hug the histogram at dynamic risk bands. A diamond plus an ultra tag forms a potent reversal duo. The gradient histogram itself shows momentum in blues and reds, flanked by teal fast and gold signal lines. Finally, a teal dashboard lists the freshest divergences on 4 higher timeframes, giving instant multi-level bias. Let's go over the indicator settings. First, under Divergences Main, set pivot period. Max waves, choose histogram. Strictness level, divergence type, and decide if same wave prints matter. Next, go to Divergences MTF, toggle the dashboard, and assign 4 supporting timeframes. Move to MACD Pro General, Fast 12, Slow 26, Signal 9. Pick EMA or SMA, and activate Ultra Signals. In reversal signals, tick Enable, and activate the Look Back. Risk bands main follows, switch them on. Adjust risk and width factors. For Divergences Visual, choose placement, backgrounds, lines, labels, and colors. MACD Visual lets you color bars, add shadow, and select gradient palette. Finally, tweak risk band colors too. Once done, click OK to apply the settings. To take a sell trade using the indicator. First, wait for the maroon caution symbol to appear on the chart. Then, make sure the green line crosses below the gold line. Also confirm that the MACD color changes from blue to maroon red. If all these conditions are met, enter your sell trade once the price breaks below the candle where the signals appeared. Place your stop loss above the caution signal candle. Set your take profit using a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. As you can see, if you followed this setup, the trade would have hit take profit successfully. To take a buy trade using the indicator, first wait for the rocket symbol to appear, then confirm that the green line crosses above the gold line. Also make sure the MACD changes from maroon red to blue. If all these conditions are met, enter your buy trade right after the signal. Set your stop loss at the recent swing low. Aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio for take profit. As you can see, letting this trade run would have also hit the take profit target. And that's how you use the caution symbol and rocket symbol together for both buy and sell trade setups. AQPRO MACD Pro indicator tells you when momentum flips, which divergences matter, and whether bulls or bears run the show. Perfect for spotting reversals and planning high-probability trades. To get started, head over to our official website shown on your screen now, choose your plan, and we'll activate the AQPRO MACD Pro indicator access directly to your TradingView account. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading!